What's going on, YouTubers? Your boy Daniel, Escape Getaways. Guess what? It's time for another adventure. We about to do our 3-year anniversary, wedding anniversary. So we decided to do a little 3-day getaway. Before we get on to this, I got to clean myself up, and I'll be back after this. Getting the bags packed, getting ready, hit the road. Dude, we just touched down. We're in Miami, South Beach. We about to get on Carnival Victory tomorrow, but meantime, between time, we're just going to see how the life is in Miami. I'm feeling right in Miami right now, so we about to go down here and turn it up. Stay tuned. Yeah, mighty loud down here. Live down here in South Beach. Everything's popping down here.